Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about Mashujaa Day. Mashujaa Day means a day that is to celebrate those who have sacrificed their lives for us to live in peace and prosperity. And this message is directed to the leaders who come from the northern region, northeastern region in Kenya. If you are a leader or if you are a person seeking leadership position, you have to keep in mind that leadership is about delivery. And I mean service delivery. There are three basic qualities that you need to have as a leader. The first one is vision. The second one is integrity, trustworthiness. And the third one is energy. But today we are going to talk about vision. What is vision? Vision is the ability to see a picture that is not yet in reality and strive to bring that picture you have in your mind to become reality. That is a textbook definition of a vision. But what does it really mean in the practical sense? This is what it means. As a person seeking leadership position or as a person who is a leader, what you need to do basically to be a person who has vision is to bring people together. You have to devise a way of bringing people together. There are three ways there are three ways leaders bring people together. Number one is tribal. Using the tribal card, that is what happens in most parts of Kenya. Using your tribe to call for unity. Number two is religion. You use religion to bring people together. Number three is, as it happens in the West, is through party membership. Now, I will not talk about the tribal call. I will not talk about the religious call. Although the religious call as Muslims, if we follow that path and bring people together through Islam, I believe we are not going to have corruption. We are not going to have lack of development. We will have proper schools. We will have hospitals. We will have infrastructure, roads. We will have no poverty. But are people ready to adopt the Islamic way of life? You start where the people are. Let us start with party politics. Every region in Kenya has a party. There is a party that caters for the needs of people from all parts of region of Kenya. But if you look at the northeastern region, until recently, people have been boarding other people's parties. We have three parties. One was just announced recently, as recent as yesterday. UDM, United Democratic Movement. There is another party, UPYA party, Ukur Yatani's party, the Minister for Finance, Cabinet Secretary for Finance. EFP party, Economic Freedom Party. if you are conversant with these parties, what you will notice is 2 out of these 3 parties are based in Mandera County, and 1 is based in Marsabit County. What you will notice is Garissa and Wajir do not have a party. What they have is what they have are leaders who board other regions' parties. Jubilee, ODM, name it. People are happy to board other people's buses and to go to destinations that is not where their people want to go. This is the challenge people have. You will be surprised if you are told that the leaders we have from Northeastern region are capable leaders. Why? Because you will expect development in that region. There are no schools. If there are only buildings there, no teachers. There are no hospitals. If they are there, then the structures are only there. The roads are not proper roads. If you look at security, it is insecure place where people do not do business as usual. Leadership is about, as I have mentioned earlier, it's about service delivery. There is no service delivery in the northern region. So this Mashujaa Day, we want to celebrate those who strive to bring change, those who want to derail people from the tribal track to issue-based debates. We want to celebrate Mashujaas who want to bring real change. And I commend these people who have brought about these parties. And there is what is called leadership lead. You can bring a change, you can bring a party, but it will take you to make that party to be a national party. It will take you a lot of growth. You have to bring different kinds of people with different skills together. So I want to tell these leaders that that is not the end. Bringing parties is not the end. What is important is to use these parties to create a coalition, and in that coalition bring people together. If you look everywhere else, kumekucha, it's only in the northern region where it is still night and the darkness prevails. People have to wake up and change. Thank you.